Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is for grade 4 science, and our today's topic is sound. We will discuss briefly about sound and how sound is produced. So first of all, we must know what actually sound is. You can see here, sound is a kind of energy that can be heard, which we can listen. So we come to know that sound is a type or kind of energy. How sound is produced? A sound is produced or made when things vibrate. So you know that sound is an energy and it is produced or made when things vibrate. Sound is a form of energy that can be heard or that can be listened and travels in waves. So how sound travels or moves? Sound travels or moves in the form of waves. And which kind of wave? Longitudinal waves. The next thing, we just studied that sound can travel. From where? Sound can travel from solids, from liquids or gases. Sound can travel in all medium, but the speed of sound differs in all mediums. Solid, it will be different. Liquid, the speed will be different, and gases speed will be different. Here you can see wood is solid. Sound travels from solid by the speed of 1850 meter per second. Air is a gas. From air, sound travels with the speed of 340 meter per second. Water is a liquid. Sound travels in water with the speed of 1500 meter per second. So from here you can guess that sound travels faster from solids, faster in solids, lesser in gases, mediocre in liquids. Why sound travel faster through solids? We just learned that sound travels faster through solids. Why? This is the answer. You have to find it out by yourself. Then you have to mention it in the group as an assignment. We can study the wave of the sound by the equipment called oscilloscope. What we will do, we have this apparatus, we have the equipment name oscilloscope, then we have a signal generator, then we have a loudspeaker. What will happen? First, the sound will be produced in the loudspeaker, then it will pass through the signal generator. This signal generator will give the signal in the form of waves to the oscilloscope. Here you can see the waves. Actually this is the sound which is traveling, and oscilloscope will show you the sound in the form of the waves. We can identify or recognize many type of sounds which we know. We can differentiate between the voices. Either it can be a animal voice, human voice, man voice, kid voice, woman voice. We can differentiate easily because of the nature of the sound. Next is loudness or quietness. Sound can be very loud, sound can be normal, sound can be quiet, very low. Volume is the loudness or the quietness of the sound. We have the volume option in many sound devices, like in the cell phone. When we want to listen some music with the high sound, we turn on the volume. When we want to listen it in the less volume with less sound, we turn off the volume. Loud sounds use a lot of energy. Soft sounds use very little energy. We can make it louder or quieter by changing the amplitude of the height of the wave. See, here are the waves. Here the height is very low. Here the height and amplitude is very high. Means this is louder sound and this is quieter sound. Pitch is the highest or lowest sound an object makes. When the vibration are fast, you hear a high pitch. When they are slow, you hear a low pitch. So it depends on vibration also. When vibrate slowly, pitch is low. When vibrate quickly, pitch is higher. Here vibration is quick, so pitch will be higher. Here the vibration is slow or less, pitch is low. So that was our topic or lesson of today about sound, how sound is produced, how we can measure the sound. Sound can be high, sound can be low. So this is the summary about the topic which we already studied. Sound is a kind of energy that can be heard. Sound is made when things vibrate. How sound travels? It travels in wave. Sound must travel through the matter to be heard. Volume is loud or soft a sound is. Pitch, how high or low a sound is. So this is it for today. We'll see you in the next lecture. Have a good day ahead.